Hey, what's going on, guys? Look at me, I'm not in my truck. Isn't that a great thing? It is a great thing. I'm at the house today, got the week off, so it's been a busy week already so far. It's only Tuesday, but got a lot of things going on at the house here. It's looking a little rainy here. You see the skies, dark skies. It's been raining like every single day, like pouring. So in Orlando, Florida, that's the way it is. Get a lot of rain, but got a lot of things done today. Had a few people at the house today. I got a new AC unit, so that was great. Got that done. I've been wanting to do that for years. And got the ducts cleaned and got a vent replaced. So there's been people here all day. So they're all gone. And let me go in the house here. But on the channel, I've gotten some responses in the comments and want to read a few of those off. Got some new people, which I really appreciate. So let me read some of these. Okay, this one is, if you look in the comments, you'll see these. Mwahahaha, 414. She says, or he says, it's really easy money. I wouldn't mind doing Carnival Cruise Lines if it drops when I have some cash to use. Recent drop has me rolling some puts out, but should have some capital freed up on Friday. So that's good. Get some capital freed up. You can sell more puts and make that money. And Carnival's been moving up a good bit, so that is it's good because I got some shares and I'm making money on that. But I do, as you guys know, want to buy some more shares. So keep missing my strike price and I keep moving it up a little bit. So I'll get it eventually. And until then, I'll make great premium and keep that money come in my account. So which I'm going to do today. So market's almost closed right now. It's 3:39. So I've been waiting for the stock to come down. I'll show you that in a minute. But okay, William Abor 4058. New subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And he says, 40-year UPS driver in South Carolina. Looking forward to learning this. I need something fun to do when I retire next year. Laugh out loud, subscribe. Thank you very much. And I am super jealous that you're retiring next year. I've got about 4 more years. So I'm getting there. I'm getting close, but I want out of there, to be honest with you. But got the week off, so I don't have to be in that hot truck, which is nice. And new AC, so it's nice and cool in here. Let's see who else. Margin Walker. Do you have AC in the back of your truck? No, negative. I wish we did, but that hasn't happened yet. It'll probably happen the day after I retire. Here's an OG here from the beginning. Georgia Whole Billy. It gets me every time. Whole Billy Ranch. Nice, easy money. Yes, it is. Very easy money. You guys got to learn this if you haven't already. Another new subscriber, Sean Anderson 127. He says, don't count profits until the position is closed out. I get what you're saying. You're probably talking about buying options and trading options. Selling options, the money goes right in your account as soon as you sell the option. So the deal is pretty much done. It depends on what strike price you pick and if you have to buy the shares or sell the shares. But as far as the profit goes, as far as the premium is, you get that right away. But when you're trading options and you're buying options, you do have a point there. Let's see who else. Chuck.97MRK8. Chuck says, rolled up the expiration 9/12 Carnival Cruise Lines 31 puts to 32. So he went from a 31 strike price to a 32 strike price, made 40 cents. Trying to wring out as much as I can from these 8 contracts. That's exactly what I do. Just keep on rolling the options and keep on making that premium until you can't anymore. And then you just go the other way. If you got to buy the shares, then you put out calls. If you got to sell the shares, take your money and take your capital and sell some puts. Just keep on doing that. So let's see who else. Steven Saxon, another one that's been around for a while. Steven Saxon, 8888. He says, 8 to 9 miles per day, talking about how much I walk at work. I didn't realize that you walk so much, that much. My guess is after work you want to come home and crash on the couch. Absolutely, every day I crash on the couch, but got the week off this week, so it's very nice. So all right, I'm going to show you. I've been waiting around all day because Carnival went up, what I sell the options on, and now it's dropping back, so it's better for me. Let me show you that real quick. Where is it? Okay. All right, let me show you that. So if you look at the chart for today, look at that. So it was way up there, which I wouldn't have made as much money on the premium. So right now it's come down. That's why I've waited this long, which I better hurry up. But it's down 1 penny today. So that's good for me. That's perfect. It's way better. It went up to like $32. So if I would have waited till then and sold the options then, I would have made a little bit less money. So let me turn this light on, and let's sell these options before the market closes. So let's see how much money I can make today. I hope you guys are having a good day and making lots of money this week. All right. So let me get to the Charles Schwab account, and here we go. All right, this week, let's see how much money I can make here. I'm gonna raise some strike prices here. These 29.50 puts, got 10 of those. I mean, the stock keeps creeping up, so I am going to raise these up. I believe, yeah, I'm gonna raise them up 50 cents. So I'm going to roll the position, and okay, now the stock is down 2 cents. Oh no, 2 cents. That's great. So I should make pretty decent money. I'm gonna raise the strike price on these 50 cents. So if you see right here, I'm going to, or as you see right here, I'm going to buy to close. So I'm going to buy the option back at 4 cents. The strike price is $29.50. These are puts. The expiration is this Friday. So I'm going to roll them out to the 19th, where the expiration is September 19th. So I'm going to sell to open. So buy them back and then sell to open. So all in one shot. And I got 10 options out. I'm going to raise the strike price. See the $29.50 here? All you got to do is go boom and find. I'm going to raise it 50 cents to 30. So by doing that, it's showing that I will get 21 cents. That's what the middle is. And that would be $210 that I would make. So rolling them up 50 cents to a 30 strike price. And let's review the order. So here we go. Goes over it with you. Buy to close, 10 options, Carnival Cruise Line, September 12th. Expiration, and $29.50 puts, buying them back, and then I'm selling them at 10 options, Carnival Cruise Lines, rolling them out to September 19th, and I'm raising the strike price to $30. So let's place the order and see if I can make, what was it, 21 cents, $210. All right, we'll start off with a quick $210 real quick. All right. I don't see it going through, but you know how this works. If you watch my videos, sometimes it lags a little bit and takes a little while, but I'll check the order status, and no, it's still open. I might have to adjust it, so I'm going to drop it a penny. So I'll change the order. See that? Change the order. And I will drop it down to from 21 cents. See there? 21 cents to 20 cents. So we'll do $200. This should go right through. So I will review the order again. $200. Place the order. And there we go. $200. Good start. $200. What was that? Oh no, it probably did it in two different sales. So I'll check the order status, And as you can see here, it is filled at 20 cents, 10 options, that's $200. All right, let's get to the next one, make some more money. So we will go to these 16. I got 16 puts out at $31.50. What I'm going to do with these, I'm going to keep 8 of them, half of them, at $31.50, and I'm going to raise 8 of them to $32. So I'll do that, make a little bit more money. That will be in the money. But I like to, as you know, stagger my strike prices. So I'll have them at 30, 31.50, and 32. So let's do that. So 16, I'm going to do 8 first. Keep them at the 31.50 strike price. Roll the position. Continue. All right. So I'm going to change this 16 to 8. The amount of options. So I'll only do 8 there, and then I'll change this to 8. I'm going to keep these at the 31.50 strike price, right? So buy to close, 31.50. These are puts, and I'm going to keep them at 31.50, and let's see how much I can make here. So showing the middle at, the bid is 33 cents, the ask is 28 cents. I'll try 31, but it might not go through. I might have to adjust it to 30. So see the net credit, 31 cents. We'll give it a try. So that would be 31 cents there. So done. Oh, there's the total. So when I hit done, it shows $248 that I'll be making. All right, review the order. Buy to close, 8 options, Carnival Cruise Line, September 12th. 31.50s, and these are puts, and then I'm selling them, also 8 of them at 31.50 puts. So I'll place the order, and those went through. Perfect. All right, check the order status, and as you see, those were filled. So I got 8 more, right? Because I only did half. So I'm going to raise those up. So the other 8, let me, if I go back here, and the other 8 are right here. So the 8 I just did are right there. Right there. There's the 8. So I'll do these other 8 real quick. I'm going to raise the strike price up to 32. So I'm going to put these in the money because it keeps moving up. So I'm going to change the strike price. So buy to close, 16. I don't know, does it say 16? This is, I don't understand, but I change this to 8 and change the sell part of it to 8. So I'm buying them back, 8 options, 31.50, rolling it out to expiration of September 19th, and these are puts. So it's showing that I'll get 32 cents and I'll make another $256. All right, so review the order. And, oh no, I didn't roll them out. Hold on. I didn't change the strike price. I gotta change this to 32. I'm gonna change the strike price, the sell part, to 32. So that'll give me a little bit more money. All right, that'll give me $464. All right, so let me review the order, and that will give me, the bid is 61 cents, the ask is 54 cents, the middle is showing 58 cents. All right, so $464. Let me review the order here and place the order. It just goes over it with you here. Buy to close, 8 options, Carnival Cruise Lines, September 12th, rolling it out to next week, September 19th, and I'm raising the strike price from $31.50 to $32. So let's make this 450, what was it? I better hurry up. I only got 7 minutes left of the market open. $464. So place the order. And it hasn't gone through. So I might have to lower it a penny. I'll check the order status and I will change it. Change the order right here. I will lower it a penny. Where are we at? So from 58 cents to 57. That will put me at $456. So place the order. And boom, that went through. $456. I'll check the order status and it's filled. All right. So we got next these 10 here at $33.50. These are calls now. The strike price is $33.50. I'm going to keep those the same. Looking like I'll get $160 on these. The middle is 16 cents. The bid is 19. The ask is 12. Let's crank this up and make it a little quicker so I don't miss this by the market closing. So $160. Let's place the order. I'm buying to close 10 options. Carnival Cruise Lines, rolling it out to the 19th expiration, keeping them the same strike price at $33.50. These are calls. So let's do that. And hasn't gone through. So I might have to adjust it. Check the order status. It's still open. So I'm going to change the order. Change order. And I'm going to lower it a penny to 15. So that'd be $150. So review the order and place the order. So $150. Boom. There we go. Made that money. Let's add that to the list. $150. I still got to put the first ones down. Let's see what I got left. Oh, I think I got that one left. That wasn't doing so good this week, but so these are all rolled out to the 19th, the 19th, the 19th, the 19th, and this is the 12th. So the 12th, this is just one, DVN. That's the other stock. It's a power company. So I'll roll that out and showing I can make 38 cents. So I'll roll that out to the 19th next week, just like the others. These are puts. I'm in the money on those. 35.50 puts. So I'll review the order. I'm keeping the same strike price because it would cost me money if I lowered the strike price. And buy to close, DVN, just one option. Rolling it out to the expiration of September 19th, and these are 35.50 puts. The stock right now is 34.34. Yeah, 34.34. So I'm in the money by like $1, but I can still make some money on these. I'll place the order, and boom, there we go. So that was 34 cents there. I'll check the order status. Oh no, 38 cents. So filled at 38 cents, so that's 38 more dollars. 38. And let me go back and see what the first ones were. Oh, 20 cents that I got on these. That's right. There was 10 of those. So that was 200. I'll add that. And I'll add these up. So the first ones were, I made $200. All right. So let's see here. All right. So 456. I'll add this up, 456, 656. Let me just do this. 756, 8, 456, 656. I'm gonna use a calculator on this. It's much easier. Okay, so bear with me 1 minute. 456 plus 248 plus 150 plus 38 plus 200. And today, this week's profit is $1,092. Not a bad week. A good week, actually. You know, I had to move some strike prices, so I made a little bit more money than keeping the same strike prices. But $1,092 in what, a few minutes? Not bad. So you guys, I really appreciate you subscribing. Helps me out a lot. Please like the video, share it, and thanks you guys for commenting. I like the comments. I go to the comments. I read all of them. I get back to pretty much everybody. Well, everybody, as everyone knows that are making the comments. So I get back to all you guys. I'm going to get back to enjoying my vacation and not being in that hot truck. Thank God. But it's about to rain, so I think I'm going to relax on the couch, get me something to eat, and enjoy the rest of my day. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you this weekend where I make another video on Saturday, and have a great day. I'll see y'all soon. All right.